Imagine stepping softly onto a gravel path, each footfall creating a gentle crunch that resonates with the tranquility of nature. As you walk, the sun filters through the leaves of overhead trees, casting playful shadows on the ground. The air is fresh, infused with the scent of blooming flowers and damp earth. This serene garden is alive with sounds. The whisper of a breeze flows through the branches, mingling with the distant bubbling of a pond, creating a symphony of natural harmony. Listen closely as the soft footsteps echo, inviting you to slow down and savor each moment. The subtle rustle of grass and the occasional chirp of birds provide a soothing backdrop, while the crunch of gravel underfoot serves as a rhythmic reminder of your connection to this peaceful space. Every step is deliberate and mindful, encouraging you to appreciate the beauty around you. Let the combination of gentle sounds and the picturesque scenery wash over you, transporting you to a state of calm. This is a sanctuary where the mind can wander freely, held by the embrace of nature's serenity, perfect for relaxation and reflection.